Access to electricity is one of the major drivers of sustained economic development and for improving the quality of life of citizens. Despite considerable investments in this sector over the years, there are still some deficiencies with regard to the ability of some citizens to access this basic service. One of the major challenges faced by some homeowners is their inability to afford wiring or rewiring of their homes, particularly in rural communities throughout the country. The Residential Electrification Assistance Program, commonly known as REAP, seeks to accelerate residential access to an adequate supply of electricity in a safe and reliable manner. The program aims to provide a one-time assistance to eligible persons whose homes have never been wired or where the existing electrical wiring is old and faulty and may pose a fire risk and may not meet the approved electrical standards. As with similar social assistance programs offered by the Ministry of Public Utilities, there are some qualifying criteria. Applicants with a total household income of less than $7,000, pensioners, social welfare beneficiaries inclusive of recipients of disability grants and public assistance, fire victims and persons affected by natural disasters. Applicant forms are available at the Ministry's website www.mpu.gov.tt, TT Connect offices, your Member of Parliament, Councillors' offices, or you can visit the Ministry's head office at number 1 Alexandra Street, Sinclair. Completed application forms are to be submitted with a copy of ID, land documents, and proof of income. The Ministry of Public Utilities, working to provide quality utility services to the country.